Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the side mirror position, and now I'm in the Honda Accord VII. So the switcher for the mirrors are located on the left doors, and now if you want to change the position you have to just turn to the left or to the right. That depends which mirror that you want to set, and just simply move around this sticker. And this is how it works. If you want to change the right mirror, just switch the position to the right, and in the same way just adjust it to your needs. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.